Selamat saja Bashi Haltan. Dalam prezentea masih konsep tu teknika kani konsep takini inshallah presentasi بس بدأت بو مونيكا جوليا درن نرى على chapter capacity introduction again motivation why data mining. What is data mining? Data mining on what kind of a data mining functionality are all of the pattern intersetting classification of the data mining systems measure issue in the data mining motivation necessary why mine data or why data mining commercial viewpoint loss of the data is being collected and warehouse web data e-commerce purchase and department jersey stores bank credit card transaction computer have become a cheaper and a more powerful. Uh, Competitive pressure is a strong. Provide better customized service for an customer relationship management. Motivation necessity is the mother of the invention. Data explosion problem. Automated data collection is a tool and the matter database technology idea to determine those amount of the data stored in database, data warehouse, and other information repositories. We are drawing in data, but starving for a knowledge. Solution data mining, extraction of intercity knowledge, rules, regulation, pattern, constraint from a data in a large data set. Evaluation of the data technology. In 1916, data collection, database creation, IMS, and the network DBMS. In 1970, relation data model, relation DBMS implementation. In 1980, RDBMS, advanced data model, extended relation OO detective, and application-oriented DBMS spatial, scientific engineering. In 1919 to 2000, data mining and data warehousing, multimedia database, and web datasets. Why data mining? Mining definition, extraction of implicit, previously known and functional useful information from a data, exploration analysis by automatic or semi-automatic means of a large quantity of data in order to discover mindful pattern. We have that image uh, describe the data mining selection pre-processing. We have a data sent. We have a data and selecting one of the data and send to the pre-processing and target data transformation pre-processed data mining transformed data uh, interaction evaluation pattern. We in the final step we have a knowledge. What is a data mining? Data mining, knowledge discovery in a database, extraction of intersetting, non-trivial, implicit, previously unknown, and functionally useful information of a pattern from a data in a large database. Alternative names, knowledge discovery meaning in a database is KDD, knowledge extraction, data pattern analysis, data archaeology, data dredging, information harvesting, business intelligence. What is a node of the data mining? Dedicated query processing, express system of statistical programs. What is not data mining? What is not data mining? Look up phone number in the phone directory, query a web search engine for information about Amazon, What is a data mining? 13 names are a more prevalent in 13 US location, Auburn, or Rock, or Raleigh in the Boston area. Group together similar documents returned by a search engine according to their context. Amazon, Rainforest, Amazon.com. Origin of the data mining draws idea from a machine learning AI pattern recognition, statistics, and databases system. Traditional techniques may be unusable due to uh, enormity of a data, high dimensional of a data, heterogeneous distributed nature of the data. We have the raw idea, statistics AI, machine learning, pattern recognition, data mining, database system. Destination in the data mining, database to be mined. Relation, transitional, object-oriented, object relation, active spatial, time series, text, multimedia, latency, WW, and another one, knowledge to be mined, characterization, destination, association, classification, clustering, training, divination, and auto analysis, and multiple integrated function, and mining at a multiple level. Techniques utilized, database-oriented, data warehouse or lab, machine learning, statistics, visualization, neural network, application, and data-based, retail, telecommunication, banking, fraud analysis, DNA mining, stock market analysis, web mining, web analysis, and another one, data mining task. Prediction task. Use some variable to predict unknown of future values of other variable. Description task. Find human interpreted patterns that describe of a data. Common data mining task. Classification, clustering, association rule discovery, synchronization pattern discovery, regression, definition, detection. Other applications for IBM Advanced Code analyzes NBA game statistics, short blockers, assist, and follows to gain a competitive advantage for the New York Knicks and the Miami Heat. Astronomy JPL and the Palomar Observative discovered 22 quasars with the help of that mining. Internet Web Sort 8, IBM Sort 8 applies data mining algorithm to web access logs for market-related pages to discover customer preferences and behavior pages, analyzes efficiency of a web marketing, improving website organization, and another one. Data mining, a KDD process. Data mining is the core of the knowledge discovery process. Data cleaning and data integration. We have our databases and send a selection or one of the data and send to the data warehouse, and the task relative data mining pattern evaluation. And we in the final step we have a knowledge. In which of the steps we have an error, we can go back to a back steps and check the error, and the process is a continue. Steps of the KDT process: learning application domain, relevant prior knowledge and goals application, creating a targeted data set, data selection, data cleaning, and the pre-processing may take 100 of the seconds of effort. Data education and the transformation, find useful feature, dimensionally variable education invariant representation. Choosing functions of the data mining, summarization, classification, regression, association, clustering. Choosing the mine chooses choosing the mining algorithms. Data mining search for the pattern of intercept, pattern evaluation, and the knowledge presentation, visualization, transformation, removing redundant pattern. Use of the discovery knowledge. Data mining and the business intelligence. Data mining and the business intelligence. In the first step is the data source. We have a paper and a file information provide database system. And the next step, data warehouse, data mart, OLAP, MDA. Data exploration is one of the famous steps. Statistical analysis, querying and representation, data mining, information discovery, data presentation, visualization techniques, and the mechanization. DBA, in the right hand, we have a DBA that analyzes, business analysis, and when we have a mind of the steps and end user. Architecture of the typical data mining system. We have a database and a data warehouse, data warehouse server, data mine engine, pattern evaluation, and graphical user interface. We have a knowledge base. Data mining on what kind of data? Relational database, data warehouse, traditional database, advanced DB, and information reproduces object-oriented statistical database, time series data, text database, and multimedia database. Data mining functionalities, concept description, uh, characterization and dissemination, generalize, summarize, and construct data characters. Association, we have that a math algorithm. Sorry, I don't have an idea for solutions at math. Data mining functionalities, classification and prediction, find modulus function that describe and destination classes or concept of the future prediction. Classify countries based on climate or classify craters based on gas mileage. Presentation, decision tree, classification rule, neural network, prediction, some unknown or missing numeral values. Cluster analyzed, classes label is unknown. Group data to form new classes. Cluster houses to find distribution pattern. Clustering based on the principle maximizing the intra-classes similarity and minimizing the instruction similarity. Outlier analysis, outlier data. Outlier is a data object that do not comply with the general behavior of the data. It can be constructed as noise or expansion, but is quite useful in a fraud detection, rare event analysis, trend and evaluation analysis, trend and evaluation regresses analysis, sequential pattern mining, probability analysis, similar Bayesian analysis, other pattern directed or statistical analysis are all discovered pattern intercepting. A data mining system or a query may generate thousands of the pattern, not all of them intersecting. Suggest approach, human-centered, query-based, focused meaning. Intersecting measure, a pattern intersecting is if it is easily understood by human, valid on new or test data with some degrees of functionality, functional useful, novel, or validates some hypothesis that just seeks to confirm objective and subjective intelligence measure. Objective based on static and static of a pattern support confidence. Subjective based to use behavior as data. Can you find all and only intersetting pattern? Find all intersetting pattern completeness. Can a data meaning system find all intersetting pattern association with classification with clustering? Search for only intersetting pattern optimization. Can a data meaning can a data mining system find only the intersetting pattern approach? First, general all the pattern and then filter out and interesting on generate only the intersetting pattern mining query optimization. Data mining confirms also multiple displays. Data mining, static visualization, other disciplines, information science, machine learning, database technology. Data mining, classification schema, general functionality, uh, descriptive data mining, predictive data mining, different views, different classification, kind of the database to be mined, kind of the knowledge to be discovered, kind of the technology utilization, kind of the application adapted, multi-dimensional views of the data mining classification, database to be mined, relation translation, object-oriented, object relation, active spectacle, and another application. Knowledge to be mined, characterization, discrimination, association, classification, clustering, trend definition, and outlier analysis. Technique utilize database-oriented data warehouse OLAP, machine learning, statistical visualization, application adapted retail, telecommunication, banking, OLAP mining, and integration of a data mining and a data warehouse. Data mining system, DBMS, data warehouse system, complaint, no complaint, loose complaint, semi-tie complaint, tight coupling, online analytical mining data integration of a mining and OLAP techniques, interactive mining, multi-level knowledge, necessity of a mining knowledge on the pattern and the different level of the observing by drilling, rolling, pivation, scaling, design, integration of a multiple meaning function, characters, classification, phrase, clustering, and the then association. On OLAM architecture, meaning query, meaning result, and filtering, we have that image on OLAM architecture. Major issue in the data meaning methodology and the user interaction, meaning different kind of the knowledge in database, interactive meaning of the knowledge at multiple level of abstraction, encryption of a background knowledge, data meaning query language, and hog data mining, expression, and the visualization of the data meaning result, handling noise and incomplete data, pattern evaluation, the intelligence problem, performance and the scalability, efficiency and the scalability of the data meaning algorithm, parallel, distributed and incremental meaning method. Issue relating to the discovery stream of the data types, handling relation and the complex types of the data, mining information from the heterogeneous database and the global information systems, issue related application and the social impact. Application of the discovered knowledge, domain-specific data mining tools, intelligence, query answering, process control, integration of the discovered knowledge with the exciting knowledge, protection of the data security, interaction, and the privacy. We have a summary. Data mining discovered interesting pattern from a large amount of data, uh, a natural evaluation of the database technology in great demand with wide application. A KDD process includes data cleaning, data interaction, data selection, transformation, data mining, pattern evaluation, and the knowledge presentation. Mining can be performed in a variety of information repository data mining functionalities, character discrimination, association, classification, clustering, outlier, and the trend analytical classification of the data mining system. Major issue in data mining with that have many references. Thank you for the listening and thanks.